In Doctor Dolittle, Doctor Dolittle suddenly discovers that he has the extraordinary ability to understand animals speaking. What initially seems like a strange and confusing gift quickly turns his life upside down when animals everywhere begin talking to him nonstop. A routine visit to a pet hospital immediately spirals into chaos as every animal starts complaining and demanding attention at the same time. After returning home, the situation only worsens as more and more animals show up seeking help, gradually turning his house into a fully functioning and uncontrollable animal clinic. From loud barking dogs to injured cats and exotic pets with unusual problems, the constant stream of chaos pushes Dolittle to his breaking point. The most outrageous moment occurs in the operating room when a tiny mouse goes into critical condition. In a desperate and comedic attempt to save it, Dolittle performs mouth-to-mouth resuscitation. The scene is both absurd and intense, yet it successfully saves the mouse, becoming one of the film's most iconic and memorable comedic moments.